Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This fellow should be long gone asleep for winter. Dies down for winter. Flowers from end of May right through until October. Then goes to sleep, but he's still throwing up a few flowers. This one was in a shelter spot just to show you what the flowers look like. Height roughly around 70 centimeters high, so about 2.5 feet high, about the same across. Flowers from end of April, early May, right through until October time. That's a Shasta Daisy called Real Glory, one of the new Shasta Daisies. So Shasta Daisy, Real Glory. Planted from now. This is the time of year to plant hardy perennials. They're the plants when you've dug a hole, you put them in the ground, then the garden for years and years to come. So to plant this fellow, decent sized planting, go twice the depth of that. Take out the soil, mix a little bit, put a little bit of super thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, then with the soil, a little bit of swell well compost, mix with the soil, some goes underneath and back and around. And this gorgeous Shasta Daisy will be in your garden for years and years to come, flowering for months, summer and early autumn. But now, at this time of the year, the ones that will be going out to you won't be showing flowers like this fellow. This one has just cheered us up by showing us a few flowers now. A little bit of green foliage, dies away completely for winter, but pops back up in spring. But the flower is gorgeous. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.